Wala na. James,
Cheers, cheers.
graduate na ako sa beta, James. Alpha boy na ako.
Sige lang.
Uy,
2 rooms naman lang tayo sa beta.
Bagay. Ay.
kayo na sa use device,
Ay,
no?
gago.
Wala na akong kukunin.
Hindi, I'll do the first room. You take the second one. Hindi pwede ako lang use device. Matagal matatapos dark room.
Ay, bahala kay Ter.
Wala, putang ina
Hindi,
mo.
si Ilsong.
Basta,
Marunong ba
wala,
yan?
wala na ako kunin, ha?
hindi nga niya alam yung,
Hindi,
ano, yung
hindi niya alam
clock.
eh. Bobo.
Naka-digital kasi, putang ina.
Sorry, guys. Wala kasi tawa ko.
Hindi, si Sarah,
Nalalakad
si Gamisha at ikaw ang kukuha ng use device.
James sa kasela?
Si Donson.
Okay. No. Walang
Ay, oo
walang
nga pala,
wala.
ano. Ako kukuha ng use device dito. Si Hillsong talaga dapat kumuha.
Lahat matuto na yun si Miko.
Oo po.
Tagal na nag-run sa atin eh.
Ay, wait. Di pa, wait. Hey, let me,
80%.
please.
Chill, 80%.
I don't have your skill, please.
Ah, okay, good na.
Okay,
May
si
May
Kuya.
cake na ba tayo? Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
No need man yan.
Pakastela mo naman yung sniper.
Meron nga ba to? Ay, ito. Meron ako. Tara.
Oh, yan.
Doon na
Kunin
sana.
niyo to.
Doon na sana. Gate.
Top nung chicken.
5.2 lang din HP nito. Baka mapisat eh. Doon sa S3 nga lang.
Hindi yan.
Kaya na yan. Eleb ko kanina,
Kaya na yan. 4 lang ang need. 4 lang para mabuhay.
Yung ina mo, tapos yung laster ko, gusto mo, 5?
Hindi 4. Hindi ka umabot ng 4 yun. Sabi ni Yuni, 2.8 lang.
Ay, hindi. Wala pa yung ano nun. Wala pang
Tao pa?
Sofa.
Wala pa ba? Di next week.
Ngayong may Baufa na yun eh. Pero di ko pa na-check yung HP.
Ayaw mo, sinama na nga yung sniper mo, reklamo ka pa sa akin,
Ay.
gagalit ka. Grabe naman to. Isama natin yung laster mo. Tara.
Tatlo na dito. Ay, di. Dalawa nga lang pala.
Uy, stop
Gago.
DPS guys.
No, bilis naman. Lah, nagbag yung
Grabe
ano ko,
kasi yung
six
upgrade ni James. Ramdam na ramdam yung damage.
Ang gagat.
top 1 duelist yun. Nahihiya pa eh. Diba?
Guys, stop DPS guys.
Ops.
Uy,
73. 74.
Ops, stop.
Enough. Motherfucker.
Grabe talaga si
uy.
Eh, pa-charge na.
Si Ilsong talaga.
Alpha tayo, Lex.
Pwede ko ba matesting ito? Check ko lang
Patay. Putang ina nyo. Wala nang HP yung boss.
Hey,
Si
stop.
Hillsong, stop DPS, Hillsong. Hillsong, stop DPS.
Mali.
Sarah, stop.
Uy, stop DPS, uy.
All!
Plus 72 daw. Wala, di ako nag-hit time so far, guys.
May mag-hit dyan. Ayun na. Oy, Biko. Hindi tumatagos yun?
Ay, 72 already. Please stop.
Ay, stop na, Saro.
Anong yan? Nag-ball.
Beta open,
Beta.
come.
I don't have anything, Zanto. I do have DMJ.
DMJ lang yan.
I have Dark Crush.
No ball yet.
Bali, si James Miko kuha ng dito. Ito. Okay.
Go in.
Wala pa rin bola.
Nope.
Wala pa rin.
Oh my God!
Yan na.
Bro, debuff ah.
Nasaan ba yung bola?
No ball yet. Here.
Iri.
Oh my God! Gago!
Kaya mo, muntingan ka na, gago.
Putangin na, I thought it's done, bro. The fuck?
Gama.
Gama.
Olote, uy. Grabe.
Andre, pa-speed buff kami dito ah. After.
Sige.
Ilsog, take second room ah.
Wait. Wait.
Di ako pwedeng pumasok. Baka mag-fail.
Ano lang me, farming EDJ. Sabi pag pwede na.
Pwede na.
Yata, pwede na.
Pwede na yun. Nakakuha na siya.
Pa-skill, speed buff.
Uy,
Thank you.
gagi.
Thank you.
EDJ lang.
Lasers, I have one on me.
60%. I have EDJ
Oh, diba?
60%. I
Kapag naka-10 yan, patay.
60.
Ito, 7 ako. Nawala na.
Ay! I have EDJ.
Ulti here, ah.
Fuck, cancel.
Cancel.
33 only, ah.
Okay.
Gago ang bug ng Siege Stance.
$33 only, guys, ah. Ina, lalakas ng hero skill nyo, guys.
Grabe talaga si Song.
Hilsong! Stop defense, Hilsong!
Grabe, stop defense,
Grabe,
guys.
Hilsong.
Alpha.
Hilsong! Alpha open.
Stop.
May prime man to. Oh, Hilsong oh. Grabe. Tinitira talaga ni Hilsong, Andre. Oh,
Kailangan gawin yung mech.
you fucking
Ano daw?
nuts.
Fucking guys.
What?
You fucking noise.
Noise.
What? What did you say, bro? What did you say? You broke in English, bro? What happened?
Lagot.
Gago.
Are you drunk or what? Ay, 33.
Pagkan ka man.
Beta open.
Beta.
Ba't ang bagal ng tumakbo? May prime ba?
Pero naman.
May
Bigat
seeder
sa
sa
siguro peg niyan.
Ball.
may
Bal.
may seeder sa
Ah,
top.
Huwag ka
careful
muna
na, Alex,
pumasok. Huwag ka muna, Alex,
Okay,
huwag ka muna
okay.
pumasok.
Bro.
Sige.
Bakit?
Hindi, pasok ka na. Hindi, huwag ka muna pumasok. Sige, pasok ka na.
Go in. Uy,
Ulo. Uy. Yako.
go in, bobo. Nagtatype pa. Tanga nito.
Nakadalawa na talaga ako, Miko. Grabe talaga to.
I haven't opened my classic, bro, for 2 weeks now, bro. How's classic doing right now?
Hilsong, take device, Hilsong.
Oh.
Action speed, I got action speed.
Zanto, Gamma.
Oh, okay.
Gamma House Classic now. We haven't been online for 2 weeks now.
Zanto.
Uy, don't TPS, uy. Hilsong, stop TPS.
House Classic.
GG, Hilsong farming DPS.
Wait. Doing Gamma, wait.
Hilsong, stop DPS, Hilsong.
Gago, hindi ka maantok mamaya. Tatrash to yung ka pa ni Pitch, gago.
Wait.
Mag 1-on-1 pa kayo ni Pitch.
Wait. Oy. Can go now? DPS now, DPS.
It's you, right?
Yeah, KOS, yeah.
Hilsong, wag ka mag-ulti sa ball.
Uy, Hilsong. Wala, ADJ sa ball, grabe.
EDJ.
Kita
Ay. Oy.
I don't have ADJ, wait, I'm farming balls.
Out.
I got ADJ.
I think you can go DPS, guys. You can go DPS. There's no debuff.
No, dito.
Oo.
No
Fish
debuff?
bag ba to? Or
No debuff?
Yeah. Yeah, no debuff.
Okay.
Oh. Go DPS then.
Ikaw ba, Eling?
Gago, nahabol ako ng
Yeah.
Bagya.
No debuff. Just take care of the laser.
imagine, we all die on
You
this.
can ulti Andre.
No need. There's no debuff.
Yeah, for the
laser.
laser.
Fuck, laser.
Sakit laser.
No need. You die when you die.
Gago.
We need the
Ay,
ulti.
okay.
I think our S2 will get bugged. No, what the fuck?
Lasers.
Goodbye, Alex. 1 ticket.
Adios.
La. Grabe Hilsong farming DPS.
See the Pichi? No. Surging light. Time. Equip the
Yes,
Let's go.
stones.
wait lang. Use device. Hilsong, I'll do 3, go do 9. We meet up at 6.
He doesn't know what 6 and 9.
Otang ina nito. Ibis na doon, yung device na master gagag.
Just go DPS hard, guys.
Dito, no one will stop you guys. Go DPS.
Yeah, go Hilsong.
Anak ni Edie yan.
Wala magre-repair.
Andre, I put the shot by the top character.
Ah.
I won't do the shot for the Paladin.
Harmony.
Is it still fun there?
Just doing this or nothing to do. They prepare
Camera.
for the academy.
Yeah. That's what I
Are you
heard.
gonna change character?
No? I'll be forever warrior there. Pretty pen, guys.
DPS. Hammer. Changing weapon. Floor. Axa, floor. Hammer again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ako, full tambos yung nakapal.
Hammer again. Changing. Sword. Hammer again. White. Mid, 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 mid. Go weak point. Now could go repair now.
Yan, may taga-kwan.
So,
Gan sa
repair
Dragon,
to
ikaw na
DPS,
magsalita.
Is it safe to repair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hammer.
Ano,
Ay.
ano?
Oh, go. Weak point.
Silipin nyo si Ilsong, baka natutulog.
Baka nag-DPS
okay na,
si
okay.
Isong, hindi nag-ano ah. Re-repair ah.
Hammer. Oh, stomping. 1,
Oh my god.
2, 3, 4.
Small heal up. DPS,
I could
guys,
repair now.
DPS.
Could repair now.
It's finished
Repairs,
already, it's finished.
Finish.
Uy,
Go
play
DPS hard.
DPS, play DPS.
So it's poison.
Cannot see.
Ready weak point. Now.
Aray ko, gago.
Poison na, poison.
Pilsong nga you have, diba?
I-DPS lang Ilsong.
DPS.
Kaya i-sustain ng heal ko.
And good shit.
Enhance X, ah.
What? Axa.
Berlin.
360.
Uy! What's that?
Floor. Many.
Many.
Oh my god.
Andre, do not die, Andre.
I have what's this? Phobia.
Still act.
Phobia, guys. Phobia.
I have phobia.
Many.
The boss doesn't want to die.
I have phobia.
Okay,
Only
just repair.
just repair first.
Still sword.
Repair, guys, repair.
Still sword.
Repair,
Still sword.
repair.
Still
You
sword.
have to repair?
Yeah.
Yeah, safe to repair.
Still sword, go. Change. Ano?
Changing,
Enhance.
Big enhanced sword. Just keep repairing. Weak point. And then repair. Those who
Mamamatay ba
cannot
ako pag
DPS,
ni-DJ
do
ko?
not DPS.
Malaki
Zanto, you have phobia. Zanto,
Yeah, I
Hilso,
know.
everyone have.
I only use DMJ.
Bleeding only ah.
A lot.
Small heal up.
A lot. Floor. A lot.
Okay.
Aish. Careful, Andre.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Hammer. 1,
Diba, mo?
2,
2,
3,
3,
4. Okay, can DPS now. Some of the guys can DPS. Except Hilsong.
Sword. Enhance.
I'm doing an already.
Ay!
Patay si Ilsong.
Hindi, bayan.
Power of Gcash yan. Grabe kayo.
Power of Gcash.
Power of cash in.
Uy,
Ah,
good.
shit.
Mid.
Mid.
Wala! Dinis yan! Sorry.
Sword. Many. It's enhanced.
May phobia ako.
Kill it, guys.
Weak point, please.
Alright, I
Oscar,
didn't
Oscar.
got weak point. I didn't got weak point. It's bug.
Nice.
Pinagpakan ng ADG.
Song, stop DPS.
Wala tayong Castella. Walang nag-Castella, no?
Ay, hindi pala nag-recast, no?
Ha? Di man, dapat may matira man siguro nun.
Nag-Castella ako kanina eh.
Castella tayo ulit.
Dragon.
Ay, may 600 seconds pa.
If you tell Hillsong the direction, just say Pacific Ocean and
Hillsong, you
South
do
China
5, I do 1. Sarah will do 7 and 11.
Hindi, ano ba yung kanina niya?
Walang
Yung
use device si
Ay,
Sarah.
wala
walang
yan.
use device.
Okay, ikaw 7-11, Andre.
Oo, ako.
Tulong lang ako
7-Eleven.
open if ever need. Guys, don't hit. Wait for 15 seconds before hitting so we have proper hitbox.
Magre-Castella ka nga dyan sa sniper.
Okay na mo, ah.
Permission.
Yeah. I'll barrier first. Okay. Hey,
Ayan na.
Andre,
Recast na.
Andre, let me know, Let me know when to barrier,
Okay.
Guys, wait 15 seconds before hitting.
Ay, hindi hit. Ikaw talaga i-hit ko, James.
Patay. GG tayo dyan.
Oo. EMP pa to. Bakit ba EE ah? 400k ulit.
Side.
RB.
Just wait.
Wait first.
Now.
Gago, walang hitbox. Wait lang, ma-adjust ako dito ko sa harap.
Swipe.
Wala nga. Putang
Ganun
ina.
din kahit
Hindi,
there's
bali.
still no hitbox.
Ako sa harap pa.
The fuck, there's no hitbox. Okay, I will stay in the front of the dragon.
Na-hit ata ni Sarah yung umaga eh.
Yung hitbox ko nasa paa. Yung hitbox ko.
Wait lang, lipat ako dyan.
Ay, kakil
La-
ko. Oh,
Lahat talaga paa. 4 na paa talaga yan. Aling paa.
Ay nga pala. Pelvic banda, pelvis.
yung pa sa gitna. Ay,
Dito lang kaya ako sa ulo, pwede ba?
There's a hitbox on claw. Swiping.
Dalawa yung clone yan, dalawa.
Ang banda yan, Klo?
Purple claw.
Purple
Claw.
Sorry.
Nasa tail yung hitbox ko. Bandang tail yun sa akin.
Lapad talaga ng tail niyan.
Ang banda sa tail.
Putang ina.
Careful, ah. We're in front. Careful.
Dito lang ako kasi wala akong hitbox yan eh. Ay, nalipat na ako. Hillsong, do 5 Hillsong, I'll do 1.
lower right.
Can we
Facing 7
repost?
Facing 7.
Can we repost, bro?
It's on you, Andre, ah. Andre, keep up.
Facing 11 now, careful ah.
Yeah,
Big stop.
Lagagi.
small hill up.
Careful, ah. Where it's dark room. The tail might wipe. Should be fine, ah. It should be fine. It's on in the middle.
Wait, guys, repost, guys. We cannot do.
Cannot do what?
Repos.
Wait, I'm already above. 1 is done. Is 5 done? Andre, how's 7 and 11, Andre? Need help?
Kako.
Okay,
Facing-
take care.
Facing 7
Andre, okay na, 11?
Hindi ko sure.
Brad.
Brad.
Uy. Putang ina nyo. Ano pa?
1 is done?
Parang walang nag-5.
Patay, ano ba?
Paano ba malalaman if di pa tapos?
Hindi ko sure eh.
May ilabas may ilo sa taas, diba?
Tapos na ako sa sa
Parang 5 wala.
Hello?
Walang nag-5.
Dark room, hello. You guys
Wait
already communicate? Hello?
Yes, double
What the fuck
checking.
is happening?
Double checking everything.
Sino ba nakatoka? Tang ina to si
Five,
Ilsong.
five ba yung hindi? Ah, Hilsong yan.
Hindi nga.
Oh, wala akong
Hindi
nakita
niya
ng
alam
5.
yung, hindi niya alam yung 5.
Sabi ko lower right. Gago.
Gago, wala makita. May map man.
Oo, wala.
Reported.
Gago.
Ah, hindi na map.
Talagang madilim yun, gago.
Dark room. Bubu talaga to sa Hilsong, guys.
Ayan, nabulog ka tuloy, sabi ni Dog.
Side to mid. Come,
Hey,
come.
we're already here.
Tangina to si Ilsong.
Reported. Roller.
Reported.
Sabi ko pa naman sa lower right. Grabe to.
Sabi ko 5.
My friend.
Nag-akala ko tapos na 5 kasi nagtanong pa saan pa daw. Gago ka.
Sabi ko, ano yung lower right?
Sara,
nakita na five.
ano kaya kung ikaw na lang ang umakyat mamaya sa Green Howl kasi kwan, 7 na ako.
Lima ako. Okay daw.
May reset ako.
Stamp.
May reset ako, Marco. Iyan mo lang. Call mo lang.
Sige lang. May reset ako. Sabihin
Okay,
ko pag kailangan.
Okay.
Ulti here, ulti.
Tuloy ba ito DPS?
Oh,
Pwede
tuloy lang,
PS.
tuloy.
Taylor.
Tail ah.
Swipe.
DPS lang. Repose.
What's this? Move speed? Anyone?
Yeah, I give it. I give move it.
Okay. Careful ah.
Repos.
Stamp.
Oh, my hero's still no damage.
Swipe.
DPS
Swipe.
guys.
Repose. Gago, nahiro skill
Oh,
ako.
Use your DMJ guys, I will reset ah.
Ganti yan, Jay.
Ako, ka-DMG ko lang din. Huh?
Yeah, Prayo Zanto.
Yeah, Zanto, just tell me if you cast your DMJ already ah.
okay. 3 seconds.
Barrier? Barrier?
Barrier now.
And I cast DMJ.
Wait.
Okay,
1 second.
I will reset now. Resetting.
Default.
Still have ulti.
Do
Don't worry.
you have attack? Or
No.
right?
No attack. All ano. All
All
reset.
reset. Oy!
Big heal up.
Ala, di nakalis. Oh, shit.
Stamping. Guys, don't worry guys. You have heal. I can sustain that. Repose.
Bread.
Breath.
If you cast your DMJ, tell me Zanto.
3 more seconds.
Repose.
Okay, cast it.
Come here for reset. 5 seconds reset.
Ay, reset. Go.
Cap.
Reset.
We can reset again? Are we gonna reset again?
Yeah, it's resetted already.
What's this? Why that? Why the wing?
Rainbow Howl. Ignore
Ignore,
gravity.
ignore up.
Ignore.
Oh, what the fuck? Ibag. Zanto,
I
you have
Ignore,
ignore.
ignore, wag more.
I don't have. I only got the speed.
Wait. Still bug. I cannot
speed.
do anything.
Ignore, hindi kami makaakyat. Hindi kami makaakyat.
Wait. I cannot do anything. There you go. There.
Small hill up.
Fucking my DMJ.
Ignore, Paps. Ignore.
Ignore.
Hindi kami
Dan.
makaakyat.
Andre,
Stomping.
barrier.
No, wait. You can sustain that. No, safe. Don't worry.
Wait. Ignore up. Brett.
Bruh.
Just tell me for ano,
Ilsa.
for reset, I have reset
Oy, pakamatay. Ang ginagawa nung sa?
Uy, Gcash daw. Gcash.
Power of
Pa-Gcash.
yan.
GG 200k yan. Walang 200k
Wala
gago.
200k, gago.
Come here for
Wait,
scan.
I'm coming.
Repose.
Wait lang.
Small hill up.
Did I get scanned?
Yep,
All good.
Yeah,
All
I got
scan.
good,
All
good,
scan.
good.
Yeah.
Just DPS guys, DPS.
Hey, DMJ.
GG 200. GG 200.
I still have ano,
Reset.
Oh, wait.
Side.
Na-stuck ako. Sorry.
Walang 200k.
Good for reset.
Use your DMJ, I will reset guys.
Wait, let me go there.
10 seconds.
Okay.
seconds.
Let's wait for
Time
reset.
We don't have heal, ah. We do not have heal. Just be careful.
Ay, oh. Be careful. No heal.
I will tell you when to
DMJ
barrier, I will tell you when to barrier. Ready barrier. Barrier now.
Okay, are you gonna reset, Andre?
Zanto, you're next, ah. Zanto.
Who's gonna reset?
Eh,
Wait, wait.
Reset now?
Okay.
Go, reset.
Come here, barrier again here, barrier here. Wait,
done.
Early.
we didn't get any barrier. Goodbye guys. Oy, lucky ah. Lucky.
I don't time lang.
May reset pa si Kuya Marco, ah. Ako nag-reset kanina.
Oh, sige lang.
Okay.
We do not have barrier anymore, ah, Andre.
Okay.
Uh,
Why?
uh,
You don't have
uh,
barrier?
I mean, CD.
But for this end.
Okay, I will reset now.
Wait, I'm coming. Okay, go reset.
Oy, the fuck? It's cancelled. The fuck?
Alex?
It's
CD,
cancelled.
15 seconds.
Sorry, it got cancelled.
How many seconds, Alex?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Oh,
5. Here.
Goodbye,
Okay, reset now?
200k.
Oh,
Side to
fuck,
mid,
it's
side to
Side.
mid.
It's bug. It's bug.
I'll barrier.
Rainbow, no?
Oh, nagsitakbuhan sila. Tangina, barrier nga daw eh.
May
Nasali
CD,
yun
ano, may CD reset, ganito na, agad bug na. I don't have reset na.
Repose.
DPS guys, let's finish
My
this.
PSP no damage again, no?
Reset in 6 seconds. 5, 4,
Wait.
3. Reset up. Bug.
Nice.
Thank you.
Kawawa naman si Miko na power of Gcash. Double-edged sword.
The Gcash, si Miko.
Uy, may title yung isa oh.
Uy, wow, Dragon Age Chopper.
Nagdi-Gcash kasi.
Bakit pala bigay nito? Pe Bargero.
Title.
Ay,
Wala
pala
no
to.
title. Shit.
Title. Long title.
Bargero pala yan.
Thanks.
Newcomer.
Weapon,
Click
please.
newcomer.
Weapon. Ay,
Wait,
sorry.
May lance.
Ay.
There's lance.
Ano yan?
Oh, Lance.
Oh, Lance.
Lance,
There's
ah.
the lance. There's
Okay,
enchant
thank
weapon.
you. This is my job.
Ilsong, you said you put in the market. Since you died.
Yeah, Ilsong, ilagay mo sa market, Ilsong, para, Ilsong, you
Ah,
sell it. You sell it.
Sacrifice.
This is where you get your 200k.
Yeah.
Sacrifice for Lance.
Ayaw niya mag-roll, oh. Zero. Tangina mo, ha? All mine pala, gago.
Gago.
May sakyan natin.